Definitions of the 12 links. 4. Name and form. This refers to the gradual formation of the aggregates after the consciousness has entered the womb. The 4 aggregates of feeling, perception, conditioning factors, and consciousness are grouped together as name, and to them is added the aggregate of form. 5. The sense powers. These are the 5 faculties of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, and to these is added the mental faculty. 6. Contact. This is the coming together of external objects and the inner consciousness via the operation of the sense faculties, whereby phenomena are detected. 7. Feeling. The feelings of pleasure, displeasure, or neutrality arising when objects are encountered. 8. Craving. Following from the above, this is the desire to experience what is pleasant and to avoid what is unpleasant.